Hi friends, my name is Lokesh. On previous video, we discussed about the commands, which are the commands are presented in IDE, Selenium IDE. We are going to discussing it as in a theory part, and also I will show the practically how to uh, given to the manually target and commands and value to the Selenium IDE. This is the first we need to see the theory part, and we will go to the next as in a practically how to implement it at that the things. Okay, the manually scripting, creating the script manually with the Firebug. How to find the Firebug values are presented on that. Okay, open a Firefox and Selenium ID. We need to type this URL, base URL. We need to off the record option. We need to off mode. We need to put that one into off mode. Okay, second step, we need to click on the topmost block line in the editor and type open command text box, press enter, and step 3 is navigating to the URL. We need to paste on this URL. This is the third step, and editor panel to assert verification command. Okay, we need to assert the second type of value. And previous we saw that assert verification title page, and that title page we need to verify, and feel free to use auto complete frequency. And fourth step, Firebug expand the header tag and display the title tag. Click on value of the title tag which is presented and paste it on the target field in the editor. To create the third command is in a third blank line on the editor. Key type and command text box, Firebug inspecting button, and use the name text box, which is the name is presenter locator name. That name we need to present. And sixth, notice that username text box does not have an ID. If it is a ID, we need to present an ID. If it is a name, you can present the name. But it is a name attribute, we shall clear with the value, name and the locator. Copy the name value into the target, and we need to provide the invalid credential value, please. And seventh point, we need to paste on the password fields, and we need to take the invalid value we need to present. And eighth point is we need to click on the button, which is the button presented. That button we need to click on wait condition is in a command, and inspect the element of sign in button. I need to present the name, which is the name is presented by that button locator name, and save that one, and we need to run the test case. This is the manual test step, and I'm going to now create an IDE. First I launch the Firefox browser and I launch an IDE, but I want to stop here because I want to manually given. This is the URL. This is the top, then the second one, which is the presented on here. Second one, topmost blank line of the editor, open command. This is the topmost blank line. We need to provide the command as an open, is a command to open that one. Target is the value which is our presented on URL. Okay, we need to select the second one. We need to give in the assert, which assert we want to assert. Title, which is the command we want to provide the value on here, target value. So we want to Mercury and Firebug Okay, the Firebug, we want to see this one. This is the we want to see expand here, header and title. This is an our we want to see the manually, so we need to copy in here. That we won't give that. This is our expected title, and this one we want to type. This is the type. We want to see the value which is presented. Here is a symbol. If you go here and if you keep it in this place, it will show the which is the button presented, the name it is presented. That name we want to copy. It is not copying, but I will say this. Something it is. Type is a command. Target is a name is a locator, which is a name. User name is our locator name. And second one we want to see, the second one is a password. The password field, the name it is locator. This one is a locator, and this one is a password is a value. We want to pass that one. Type is a command, name is a locator, value is password. Okay, we want to password field and that value we did not pass, right? There is a value we were passing. Mercury is a value, and second one password field we are passing 1 2 3 4 5 is a password. We have a button also, and that button we are finding that button which is the name is presented. The button have and second type is there, image name field is in a login. This is a login is in a locator name it is presented. Okay, we want to provide the command, means after that if we given two values, once clicking directly it is going, means it will take coming to error, but once clicking that button we want to wait some time, some amount of time, means ID default value is 30 seconds. It will take 30 seconds. Click and wait. In the click we have the methods, commands are presented. Click and wait, click at and wait, close. But we want to, after clicking the button, we want to wait some amount of time. Then we need to keep there is a click and wait. So the name is a locator. We are passing the login is a command. We don't want to pass the value because it is in a text box. It is in a text box, that's why we are not passing any value. These two types we are passing as a values because it's in a text box. Okay, now we stop this one here and we want to clear. We don't have any logs. We want to off Firebug, and now we need to go to login. Before login we are going to first Google is on a page. Okay, now running slow mo this test case. If it is pass or fail we need to see. Starting Mercury page is open and it is coming, asset is passed. That's why it's showing a green color. Once the pass is the green, asset is verified, then the title, which are the title we are getting, the title is passed, then the output is success, then next field is coming to here. Okay, One more time we want to see here an assert. Okay, we are given the failed condition. Now we are going to test as an failed. Now assert is there, right? That assert purpose, just simple an example, and we just one more time we are executing to assert failing purpose. Now open, select assert failed. Now remaining conditions not executed directly show up failed. Previous is executed pass, right? That purpose it is showing here. Once that assert is failed, it will show like this. Okay, this is all about the manually how to execute our test cases. Okay, next class we will discussing about that. Okay, how to execute the how to remaining concepts we will explain the next video. If you like this video, please like my video, and if you want to comment on that video, please comment on. If you have any doubts on that video, please comment on that. I will explain those who have doubts on that. I will explain the doubts also. That's all about this video. Thank you.